A 12-year-old accused of killing his mother is in court for the first time, denying the charges against him. Good evening, and thank you for choosing NBC 5 News at 6. I'm Craig Smoller.
And I'm Kristen Husfeldt. Ashland police arrested the boy after they say he used a chef's knife to kill his mother and stab his sister.
We told you yesterday it happened at a home on Morton Street in Ashland. 52-year-old Pamela Wallace was dead when police arrived. Tonight, Ashland police say the 16-year-old sister is stabilized and doing well. Right now, police still haven't released a motive for the stabbings.
The 12-year-old made his first court appearance this morning, and only NBC 5 News was there. The boy sat emotionless before the juvenile court, only nodding his head when asked questions. The 12-year-old entered denials to charges of murder, attempted murder, and assault. That's the equivalent of a not guilty plea in juvenile court. Meanwhile, the district attorney's office says there hasn't been a case like this in decades.
It's a tragedy all around.
Jackson County District Attorney Beth Heckert was among the first on scene Tuesday morning. She says in her more than 2 decades with the county, she's never had a case like it.
I couldn't recall a case where we had a youth that was that young that committed these types of crimes in Jackson County.
The 12-year-old boy is currently being charged as a juvenile, facing counts of murder, attempted murder, and assault. Ashland police say he killed his 52-year-old mother, Pamela Wallace, and injured his 16-year-old sister, stabbing them both multiple times with a kitchen knife.
It's going to be a rough patch for the community to work through. This is really especially tragic.
Heckert says despite the boy's age, he could be charged as an adult.
We would have to file a motion with the court and have a hearing on that and be able to show the judge that this youth was of sufficient sophistication that he should be treated as an adult.
But she says it's too early in their investigation to know how they'll proceed right now.
At 12, it's really going to be difficult, and we understand that. So we just want to make sure we do all of the background information and really get a complete investigation done before we actually make a decision.
The boy is being held at the juvenile detention facility in Medford. His next court date is January 25th. If he is adjudicated on the charges, or in other words, is found guilty as a juvenile, he could be placed in a correctional facility until he turns 25. If charged and found guilty as an adult, he faces a minimum of 25 years on the murder charge alone.